Hello, this is the Tachibana Tech channel coming at you with another unboxing video. And today we have the second generation Apple Watch Ultra. Now, from looking on the outside, you couldn't tell. In fact, here's the box from the Apple Watch Ultra 1. See? Identical. You would have no way of knowing which one is which without looking at the back. Then here you can see this is the first generation, and this being the second. And it's very subtle right here. Apple Watch Ultra 2. Very subtle. Alright, let's go ahead and unbox this guy. Alright, so far it's looking exactly like the first box. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and guess that they didn't change anything. Okay, very subtle differences. So this is the one, it's got this nice snowy mountain. This is the two where it has water. So they did change something. That's cool. I do like the scenery. It's very nice. And then we've got this book here showing you all your options. The bands, what the buttons do. This looks more like one of those car catalogs when you go to a car dealership. Looks really nice. Really smooth, really slick. And then they've got this here, which is all your basic information. Neatly tucked away in this little sheet here. But enough about that. Alright, so this is the default band option for this year. Last year we had this really nice bright orange option. For some reason they picked white this year. Orange was an option, but this is the one that they pushed us towards. So this is the one we selected. Let's go ahead and get this open. Alright. Yeah, it's got the same style as last year. And here's your instructions on how to switch out the band. Alright. It's got a little paper that goes with the cardboard cutout. So usually just push these in and slide these out. Push them out. Usually you can slide them out, so I'm not sure why it's being so tough. So you can see I had to rip it out of its container. It didn't slide out like it usually does. And then this would be the ring here, which is a replacement for this, I assume. Alright, there's the band. Let's go ahead and get the watch face. Alright, it's got two strips here. Alright. Looks as fancy as it did last year. So as you can see, it has the nice braided cable, which is nice and tough and is now included with this year's iPhones. We have the USB-C charging cable here, which then goes to the magnetic safe charger on the Apple Watches. And here is the watch itself. All right, so you just pull up like that, and then next you slide it out, and then there it is, big in all of its glory. You can see on the back here, if it focuses, there we go. So you can see here, it just says Apple Watch Ultra. You wouldn't know from the outside that it's the second generation. In fact, we'll go ahead and compare it with the first generation. See, right at a glance, you could never tell. Got the same action buttons, everything's the same size. Even on the back, all the words seem to be pretty close to the same. They are the same. Yeah, all those words are the same. Even the sensors look the same. There's no real remarkable difference between the two models. So there were some minor upgrades on the inside, obviously, not the outside from what you can tell, to this model. Now, one of the major upsides to this watch is it has a much larger battery life. It's supposed to last all day, especially when you use low power mode. I think they said it can last up to a couple days in low power mode. But one of the big complaints that we hear about this watch online is how big this device really is. It's heavy, it's wide, it's really big. However, for general everyday use, the people that can get over the size of this watch on their wrist actually really like the all-day battery life and how big the screen is. And with that, I do believe that is the end of our Apple Watch Ultra 2 unboxing. Let us know down in the comments if there's anything else you'd like us to unbox, and we will go ahead and catch you guys next time.